Hi everyone! Today I will show you 3 ways to change the color of yarn when crocheting in a spiral. With the classic color change, we change to a new yarn on the last stitch of the round. Then we continue to crochet as usual and finish on the last stitch of the previous round. This results in a very noticeable step. First way. We make a color change on the last stitch of the round. Make a slip stitch in back loop, pulling out a new color. Next, we crochet ordinary single crochets for both loops. In the last stitch of the round, insert your crochet hook 1 row below and make a single crochet. Next round, crochet as usual, single crochet for both loops. It was the first way to change color neatly without too obvious a step. The second way. We perform a color change in the traditional manner. Next, in the first stitch of the round, create a slip stitch in the back loop and a single crochet in the same stitch, working for both loops. We put a marker on this loop. This is the first stitch of the round. Next, we crochet ordinary single crochets for both loops. In the last stitch of the round, we make a single crochet. When moving to the next round, skip the small stitch before the marker and work into the stitch marked with the marker. Next, we continue to crochet single crochet as you usually do. The third way. In the first stitch of the round, make a slip stitch. Pull up a loop on the hook a little. Return 1 stitch back and insert the hook through both loops. Pull out a new color. Make 1 chain and a single crochet in the same stitch. Then pull the yarn through the next stitch. Throw the left loop on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through 3 loops on the hook to tighten the yarn of the previous color. Next, we continue to work in the round with single crochets. When moving to the next round, we make a single crochet in the first stitch of the previous round. Next, we continue to crochet single crochet as you usually do. It is worth considering that with the third method, the beginning of the round is shifted 1 stitch to the right. These were the 3 color changes with the least noticeable transition to the next round. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest crochet tutorials, patterns, and creative projects. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!